You identify a specific ecological threat in a confined space, and you neutralize it before lunch. By shrinking the timeline and narrowing the focus, you remove the barrier of feeling overwhelmed. You step out, complete a set of physical tasks, and create a visible, undeniable victory for your local ecosystem. In a single morning step, one of the protocol is setting a strict temporal boundary. A mission must be contained to a 1 to 3 hour window. Working past this point leads to physical fatigue, careless mistakes, and volunteer burnout. Next, you must armor yourself against the realities of the field. You need heavy closed-toe work boots to navigate hidden rocks and thick leatherwork, gloves to protect your hands against stinging plants, thorns, and ticks. You also need your extraction tools. A steel hand trough allows you to bypass compacted dirt, and a heavy-duty plastic garbage bag ensures whatever you remove cannot escape back into the ecosystem. You have a hard stop on the clock and the physical barriers needed to stay safe. A chaotic outdoor chore becomes a sustainable, repeatable operation that you can perform safely week after week. When you arrive at the site, do not try to clear the entire landscape. Choose a specific area and define a strict boundary, like a 10 by 10 meter square. You won't step outside this box until the mission is complete. Within that grid, we are hunting seedlings, young, unestablished plants that haven't yet developed deep root systems. We bypass the massive, established invasive shrubs and focus entirely on these small, vulnerable sprouts. But before you pull anything, you must be certain of what you are holding accidentally. Extracting native wildflowers instead of the target invasive species actively damages the exact ecosystem you're trying to heal. To avoid this, cross-reference a local field guide to positively identify common local invaders, like multiflora rose, or cheatgrass. Multiflora rose is an invasive shrub that emerges with tiny, serrated leaves, while young cheatgrass is an invasive weed with a fine texture and a reddish stem. A mature invasive plant requires saws, herbicides, and hours of labor. To neutralize a seedling requires 2 fingers and 2 seconds. By eliminating the invader at its most fragile stage, you exert drastically less energy, ensuring the ecosystem never reaches the point of being structurally overwhelmed. Now the extraction.